Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to create word list using Crunch. First of all, open terminal and check for updates using command sudo apt-get update. In terminal, type crunch, minimum number of letters, maximum number of letters, characters you want to use to make word list, -o, and the name of the output file followed with .txt. Let's see this in practice. Type crunch, minimum number of letters, maximum number of letters, characters you want to use to make word list, -o, and the name of the output file followed with .txt. The file size of this pattern is 3 GB and number of combinations possible is 328,593,657. If I do ls, you will see that the file is created. If I do cat, wordlist.txt, you will see all the possible patterns. This pattern will also create hack hunt. If you need to define a pattern in your word list, then crunch, minimum number of letters, maximum number of letters, characters you want to use to make word list, -t, pattern you want to define, means any character, -o, and the name of the output file followed with .txt. The file size of this pattern is 10 GB and number of combinations possible is 1 billion. This pattern will create all the possible mobile numbers starting from 9. If I do ls, you will see that the file is created. If I do cat, wordlist.txt, you will see all the possible patterns, which can be used to hack Wi-Fi, as most of us have some kind of mobile number as Wi-Fi password, in context with India. If you do man crunch, you will see all the options which can be used. Press Q to go back.
If you like this video, please comment, share, and also if you are not a Hack Hunt subscriber, please subscribe. This is Hack Hunt, signing off.